Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest pure Kanjipuram silk saree collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, Kanjipuram silk sarees are very popular in Indian cultures. All South Indian women love to wear Kanjipuram silk sarees for her wedding. South Indian wedding function never complete without Kanjipuram silk saree because this kind of Kanjipuram silk saree comes with rich border and pallu. Sarees pallu. Friends, Kanjipuram silk sarees are perfect suitable for wedding, engagement, get together, birthday party, function, festival, and all other occasion. Friends, this kind of Kanjipuram silk sarees are comes with different range of colors like yellow, red, green, maroon, blue, black, pink, purple, violet, lavender, and others. Friends, these kind of Kanjipuram silk sarees are comes with different range of patterns and design. Friends, these kind of Kanjipuram silk sarees are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments, and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.